Alright, this is the third elevator here at Plaza Tanarah in San Pedro Garza García. We also have an Otis Gen2 from 2007. And I don't think this one is glass, but we'll see. But there's the Holiday Inn Express. There's your Tanarah logo. This one is not glass, just like the other. Looks like the other two ones. Look at the mirror. Hey, we're gonna go up to 3. It smells good in here. Whoa, it's shaking a little. Here at 3. Alright, parking level. We're gonna go down to. Alright, E2 is open. So, we're not gonna go out. So, this is also an Otis Gen2 installed in 2007. So, we're at parking level 2. Up to PB, and we're gonna end it there. There's your MPE. This is the park. Here's your view at the parking garage. All right, let's do a cab view. It's just your nice. Whoa, we're going down. Didn't know E3 could be accessible, but we're gonna. Yeah, it's because of this little thing here, but we're gonna go up to a PB and we're gonna end it there. All right. Alright, anyways, let's do a cab view now. It's just your nice Otis Gen2 elevator, just like the other one, and up there's Big Brother. Right here are your fixtures, and there's the indicator. Here back at PB, which is the main floor. Alright, and possibly want to read that. There it goes, and that's it.